Hey everyone! Welcome back to Bright Minds in Sight. Today, we're diving deep into your body to explore one of its most fascinating parts, the stomach and digestive system. Let's find out what really happens after you eat. Your digestive system is a complex highway that turns food into the energy and nutrients your body needs. It includes your mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and accessory organs like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Digestion starts in the mouth, where teeth and saliva break food into smaller pieces. From there, it travels down the esophagus into the stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ shaped like a J. Its job is to churn and break down food using strong acids and enzymes. It releases hydrochloric acid and pepsin, which help digest proteins. This process turns your food into a thick liquid called chyme. Fun fact: the stomach lining is coated with mucus to protect it from its own acid. Without it, it would literally digest itself. Next, the chyme moves into the small intestine, where most nutrients are absorbed. Here, the pancreas adds digestive enzymes, and the liver sends bile to break down fats. This is where your body grabs vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbs, and fats to fuel everything you do. Whatever your body doesn't need moves into the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed and the rest becomes, you guessed it, waste. Eventually, it exits your body through the rectum and anus. And that's how digestion ends. Fun facts and health tips. It takes about 24 to 72 hours to fully digest a meal. Your stomach lining regenerates every 3 to 4 days. Fiber helps move food through the intestines, so eat those veggies. So next time you eat, remember the incredible journey your food takes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more science-packed content. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep learning.